Good morning, Deepak.
Good morning, sir.
Can you be a little louder?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts regarding first two chapters?
No, sir.
Anything that you would like to ask? Anything that you would want to know?
No, sir.
Then we will do some sample questions, some sample papers on these two chapters.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. There is this question like this, sir. This is from 22-23 sample paper on real numbers. Let A and B are two. 1 second, sir. Let A and B are two positive integers such that A is equals to P cube into Q power 4 and B is equals to P square into Q cube, where P and Q are primes. If HCF of A comma B is equals to P power M into Q power N and LCM of A comma B is equals to P power R into Q power S, then find the value of M plus N into R plus S. First of all, did you understand the question, sir, what they are trying to tell?
Yes, sir.
Two numbers have been given, sir. A is equals to P cube into Q power 4. B is equals to P square into Q cube. Now, what will be the HCF of A comma B? Highest common factor would be P square into Q cube. You agree with me, sir, on this?
Yes, sir.
Because, see, A is equals to P into P into P into Q into Q into Q into Q. B is equals to P into P into Q into Q into Q. Right? P. 2 P's are common. 3 Q's are common. So this is your HCF. And when it comes to LCM of A comma B, what is the highest power? 3 is the highest power, so P cube. 4 is the highest power, so this is P power 4. Now can you tell me what is the value of M and N? M is 2, N is 3.
3.
R is 3 and S is 4.
4.
Now M plus N, that is 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4. This is 5. 5 into 7. My answer will be
35.
35. Clear, sir? Any doubts regarding this question, sir?
No, sir.
Next question, sir. See, second question, sir. One more question, sir. This is from polynomials. Let P be a prime number. The quadratic equation having its roots as factors of P is dash. It is of course quadratic equation, but you already know what is the, how do you write the quadratic polynomial or equation? First of all, what are the factors of P, sir, if P is a prime number?
Sir, 1 and itself, sir.
1 and itself. Very good. So 1 and P are the factors. The general form x square minus sum of zeros plus product of zeros will be equal to 0. Correct, sir? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the general form, sir. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next question, sir. Can I move to the next one? Ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. See question number 3, Nana. If alpha and beta are zeros of a polynomial, f of x is equals to px square minus 2x plus 3p and alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta, then what is the value of p? First of all, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, sir. A value is p, b value is minus 2, c value is 3p. Alpha plus beta, that is given by minus b by a. Correct, sir? That is
Yes, sir.
minus of minus 2 by p. So 2 by p. What about alpha into beta, sir? Can you tell, sir?
C by A, sir.
C by a, so
3.
that is 3p by p, that is
P.
equals to
3.
3. Already they have mentioned that alpha plus beta is equals to alpha into beta. So 2 by p equals to 3. P will be equal to 2
2
by
by
3.
3.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Next question, can I move? Can I go to the next one, sir?
Yes, sir.
Next question. This is an assertion reasoning type question, sir. We call it as AR type. What they will do, they will give you one statement, one assertion and one reasoning. So assertion over here is, if product of two numbers is 5780 and their HCF is 17, then their LCM is 340. Reason what they are telling is HCF is always a factor of LCM. Now you know the options what they will give. Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation. Both A and R are true and R is not correct explanation. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell the answer now? Will you tell the answer? See, they are mentioning that the product of two numbers is 5780 and their HCF is 17. So already I know something. What do I know? LCM into
Sir,
HCF should be equal to
it's A into B, sir.
A into, that is product of given two numbers. Right. So this is 5780. Now if I do 340 into 17, that is yeah, I am getting same thing. So A is true. A is true. And if you observe here, HCF is always a factor of LCM. That need not be true, sir. It need not be true. In all the cases, it need not be true. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The answer will be second option. Both A and R are true, and R is not correct explanation.
Okay, sir.
So they have asked about 5 plus 2 root 3 is irrational, sir. Already I have taught you in the first class. If you are having any doubt, you can refer to that video. Okay. So you just need to
Okay,
show
sir.
that 5 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. Okay. You refer the original video. Okay.
Okay,
Next.
sir.
Next question. Fifth question, sir. One is fifth one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fifth one. Question is like this, sir. If the zeros of the polynomial the zeros of the polynomial x square plus px plus q are double in value to the zeros of polynomial 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Find the values of p and q. First of all, what I will do, sir? I will try to find the zeros of this polynomial, sir. What will be the zeros of this polynomial, Lana? Can you tell? A plus b value is minus 5. AB value is minus 6. So I need to choose two values such that I will get this thing.
Yes,
How
sir.
do I split? Or why? No need. Directly we will write. What when we need only zeros, right? So what is alpha plus beta?
Minus b by a, sir.
What is 5 by 2? What is alpha into beta?
C by
Minus
a,
3
sir.
by 2. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now they are telling that the zeros of the above polynomial are double in value. So let 2 alpha and 2 beta be zeros of x square plus px plus q. So that means 2 alpha plus 2 beta will be equal to minus p, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I write this as 2 times of alpha plus beta, sir?
Minus p.
So this is 2 times of 5 by 2 equals to minus p. 2
Yes, sir.
cancelled out. So p value will be equal to minus 5. Correct, sir?
Minus 5, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now in the same way, can I find q value also, sir?
Two alpha beta, sir.
2 alpha into 2 beta.
Yes,
That
sir.
will be equal to q. That is 4 alpha beta is equals to q. What is alpha into beta? Minus 3 by 2 equals to q. So cancel out. Q value will be equal to minus 6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Important. 3 marks question, sir. Can I move to the next one, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute. Question number 6. The ratio of LCM and HCF of the least composite and least prime number is dash. What is the least composite number, sir?
4, sir.
4. Very good. What is the least prime number?
2.
2, sir.
2. So what is the ratio? 2:1. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question, sir. LCM of x, 18 is equals to 36. HCF of x, 18 is equals to 2. Find the value of x. What will we do, sir? What can we do?
HCF into LCM is
HCF
equal to
into
X in
LCM is equals to product of two numbers. What are the two numbers
X
here?
in
X into
X in
18.
yes, sir.
So 36 into 2 will be equal to x into 18. So this is 72 is equals to x into 18. So x is equals to 4. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can I move to the next question, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is a tricky question, sir. Please star mark it. If sum of two numbers is 1215 and HCF is 81, then the possible number of pairs of such numbers are dash. See, Nana, they are telling that the HCF is 81, correct? That means HCF is a common factor of both those numbers, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do, I will assume 81 into x is one number and 81 into y is one number. So the sum of these two numbers will be equal to 1215. Okay. Now I will take 81 common. So 81 into x plus y is equals to 1215. Just give me a second, sir. Yeah. So 81 into x plus y is equals to 1215. So x plus y value will be how much, sir? 1215 by 81, correct?
Yes, sir.
So can I divide with 3? So this will be 405 by 27. Again dividing with 3. So 270, 135. So 15. So x plus y is equals to 15, sir. Now, how many such co-prime pairs can be formed? matching these two. I can take 1 comma 14. I can take
Yes, sir.
2 comma 13. I can take 4 comma 11. I
Yes,
can
sir.
take 7 comma 8. That's all, sir. Four pairs. You will have options, sir, so you need not worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, moving to the next question. LCM of two prime numbers P and Q, where P is greater than Q is 221. Find the value of 3P minus Q. So two prime numbers are there, sir. If you multiply them, you should get 221. Correct? 13
Yes,
into
sir.
17 will give you 221, sir. P value should be greater. So P value will be 17. Q value will be 13. So what is the value of 3P minus Q? 51 minus 13. You will get 38, sir. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question they are giving us next question is a case-based study question, sir. Case study question. So what they are doing is they are giving a figure where people are jumping into water in a parabolic path. So there is this girl Annie. So she is standing on the diving board. This diving board, it is 48 feet above the ground, sir. 48 feet above the ground. So she took a dive into the pool. Her height above the water level at any time, t seconds, it has been given as a h of t is equals to minus 16t square plus 8t plus k. What they are asking us is, they are asking us to find the value of k. For some time, let us forget about everything, sir. Let us just simply see this one as an equation. Okay. So when time t is equals to 0, height is 48. Correct, sir? 48 feet.
Yes, sir.
So I will put 0 in the place of t, wherever I find t. So height is 48. This will become 0. This will also become 0. This is k. So k value will be equal to 48.
40.
Very good. Next question, sir. Same thing, sir. In the same one, they are asking. I'll remove this part, sir. K value is 48. That we have found out. I'll write it over here. They are asking at what time will she touch the pole? See, when Annie touches the pole, the height of the pole will be 0, sir. You agree with me? That means
Yes, sir.
minus 16t square plus 8t plus 48 will be equal to 0. I will take
Yes, sir.
LCM, 8 common. So minus 2t square plus t plus 6 equals to 0. Correct, sir? I
Yes,
will
sir.
rearrange this expression and write 2t square minus t minus 6 is equals to 0. So I can write this as, A plus b value is minus 1. AB value is minus 12. So I will write this as minus 4 plus 3. So 2t square minus 4t plus 3t minus 6 is equals to 0. 2t into t minus 2 plus 3 into t minus 2 equals to 0. So t is equals to minus 3 by 2. This cannot happen. So t is equals to 2 seconds. So in 2 seconds she will touch the pool, sir. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Another question, sir. Another, same question. Same data, another question, sir. There is another girl called Rita. So her height above the water level, it is being given by another polynomial where zeros are minus 1 and 2. Can you find her polynomial? The zeros are minus 1 and 2. So x square minus of alpha plus beta is 1 plus alpha into beta is minus 2. This will be her, expression, sir. So because it is in t, I will change and I will write with respect to t. So t square minus t minus 2. Only polynomial, right? That is enough. Clear?
Yes, sir.
One more question, sir. The zeros of polynomial r of t, they are given as minus 12t square plus k minus 3 into t plus 48. So zeros are negative of each other. That is what they have given, sir. And they are asking us to find the value of k. Zeros are negative of each other means what will happen, sir? Alpha plus beta will be equal to 0. You agree with me on this?
Yes, sir.
Now what is alpha plus beta, sir? Minus b by a is equals to 0. So k minus of k minus 3 by minus 12 is equals to 0. K minus 3 will be equal to 0. K value will be equal to 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's all, sir. Right?
Sir, then 12, sir.
Amma?
There k minus 3 by 12. Oh, okay, sir.
Hey, 12 on the பக்கம் போனா 12 into 0, 0 ஆயிடும்ல.
Yes, sir.
நீங்க ஒரு क्वेश्चन பண்ணுங்க எனக்காக இப்போ. Sum of zeros is 1. Product of zeros is minus 6. Find general equation of the polynomial. What will be the polynomial? X square minus
Plus
x
x minus x.
minus 6 equals to 0. ஒத்துக்கிறீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
ஒருவேளை ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் இல்லைன்னா அங்க இருக்கிற ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் அங்க வந்து 8x square minus 8x minus 48 இருந்தா that will be also your answer, right? What they are doing, they are just multiplying this expression with 8.
Yes, sir.
இந்த மாதிரி இருக்க ஆப்ஷன், this will be the answer. அது கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க, ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கிறப்போ கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து பண்ணுங்க. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right, we will stop here for the day. We will continue in next class. Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.